Hello, Bonnie English here. Well, here I am with my Triumph Trophy doing a bit of maintenance. And one of the major maintenance issues is when you're dealing with the gear shift lever and the brake lever pivot bolts. They can seize and snap. Replacing them is a major headache, but like all things, regular maintenance is the key. Unfortunately, like a lot of maintenance issues on the Triumph Trophy, it's not easy and will often get overlooked. But hopefully I will show you an easy way of sorting it. So what tools do we need? Well, I have my torque wrench with a 14mm socket. I have a 14mm ring spanner. I have my T14 torque socket. I have a 4mm hex key and an 8mm hex key, a heat gun and some general purpose lithium grease. So working on the left hand side of the bike, you will need to remove the heel plate here using a 4mm hex key and the whole assembly for the left foot peg. Now I've removed the fairing on this side of the bike as well. This is for some other work that I'm doing on the bike, so this isn't entirely necessary. So remove the bolts from the heel plate. You will need to undo the 3 bolts, which are the torque bolts, here, here and here, and underneath the foot peg, using your 8mm hex key, you'll need to remove the bolt here too.
Lift it off.
So we've now exposed the gear shift lever pivot bolt. So because the bolt is so seized, don't try and undo it before you apply some heat to it. So, I have my trusty heat gun. Keep doing this for a good 5 or 6 minutes until you're really sure that the bolt mounting is hot. So then undo the bolt using a 6mm hex key. If that doesn't work, you may need a wrench, but don't force it. Just apply more heat, otherwise you'll run the risk of snapping it off. And there she is. Attack it with a wire wheel to get it nice and clean, and then grab your grease and apply it like so. Grab your 6mm hex key and your assembly is just the same but in reverse of the disassembly. Oops, it's all greasy and slippery. Tighten to 25 Newton meters or hand tight if you don't have a torque wrench. Torque bolts the same, 25 Newton meters. And that's it, 15 minutes and job done. Brake lever is exactly the same procedure, just obviously on the other side of the bike. Do this once a year and you won't have any problems. But the key takeaway from this is heat. Don't overforce it, otherwise the bolt will snap. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like or subscribe.